the last 15 years, there is an increasing will of policymakers and researchers in building sustainable entrepreneurial ecosystems. The latter has been seen as a crucial mechanism for revitalizing economies and preventing stagnation. Unfortunately, attempts to replicate well-known ecosystems such as Silicon Valley or Route 128 in Boston or even Sophia Antipolis in France have failed to achieve the anticipated outcomes. Therefore, there is need for sharing best practices of different places all over the world and accumulate knowledge about the ecosystem mechanism and dynamics from various perspectives and contexts. Additionally, concerns have arisen regarding the potential loss of focus and meaning of the term entrepreneurial ecosystem in the scholarly discussion. The book aims to prevent the term entrepreneurial ecosystem from losing focus by providing a comprehensive exploration of the concept. More precisely, the book Entrepreneurial Ecosystems in Cities and Regions addresses the growing interest in entrepreneurial ecosystems as a means to explain the success or challenges faced by places and emphasizes the importance of these ecosystems in re-energizing economies, especially after crisis, and sustaining success over time. The edited volume comprises 28 chapters with over 60 contributors in a collaborative effort across the globe and is organized into 3 parts: Emergence, Evolution, and Future. The chapters collectively offer valuable insights into the foundational concepts, the pivotal players, and the dynamic nature of entrepreneurial ecosystems. Part 1 is entitled The Emergence of Entrepreneurial Ecosystems. In these 8 chapters, the focus is on the birth of entrepreneurial ecosystems, both as a concept and a reality. It explores what is known and unknown about these ecosystems, detailing the actors and factors linked to entrepreneurial activities. The discussions extend to spatial diversity of policies and temporal changes in ecosystem configurations, with a focus on how a positive entrepreneurial culture can emerge over time. The second part is entitled The Evolution of Entrepreneurial Ecosystems. The 10 chapters in this section examine the evolutionary aspects of entrepreneurial ecosystems. Notably, entrepreneurial dynamics in understudied contexts, such as peripheral places, are also explored. The contributions emphasize the need for better methods and metrics to understand the complexity of evolutionary processes. Key questions arise about the configuration of attributes and elements, the development of actor networks, and the role of governance in determining ecosystem evolution. The third part is entitled The Future of Entrepreneurial Ecosystems. The 9 chapters in this section address the future of entrepreneurial ecosystems while championing a dynamic and interdisciplinary approach. Themes include social interactions, demographic considerations, governance approaches, systemic analysis, evolutionary dynamics, holistic views, and strategic angles. The section aims to provide a critical overview of the state of the art in entrepreneurial ecosystem research and suggest future paths for scholarly and policy discussions. The book's origins include insights from workshops and online sessions, creating a network of international scholars. The different chapters offer valuable insights into the socially embedded phenomenon of the entrepreneurial process, emphasizing its global importance in the 21st century. The book addresses the challenges and opportunities for cities and regions to remain resilient and sustainable in the face of rapidly evolving global economic, environmental, and geopolitical changes.